When I first got started with running a business, I really struggled and I lost a lot of money my first year and a half. And so I developed a real passion for people who are in that spot. And I joined a mastermind group myself, and that really helped me. And interacting with consultants within the food service world also really helped me. With Six Figure Dinners, we're trying to piece together those components to help people that are in the $1 to $5 million range so that they don't go through the same type of struggles that I went through. I really have a belief that if we can get around the table and get problems clearly identified and refer people to consultants who can really help them, that's going to be a tremendous benefit to people.